We're just at the vet. He's got his last booster. It's a rainy, shitty day, but it's a good day. Isn't it, mister? Hi everybody! So right now I'm standing in my new apartment. I'm really excited. We're moving in tomorrow, and I'm looking forward to the new chapters and the new things. I have the mother of all zits right there. It's fucking painful. And we just moved like a few smaller items that you can't really ask movers to move in. It's bright, which I like, and it'll just take a little bit of TLC. I have all my, I love hoods with like the little pockets.